Have you ever looked around your home and wondered if everyday items can become the key to your fitness journey? In today's video, we introduce the best home workout hack you've never tried. A creative, innovative way to use common household objects as effective workout tools. As traditional gyms and expensive equipment seem out of reach for many, our goal is to overcome the limitations of conventional home workouts by transforming your living space into a dynamic exercise arena. Imagine a sturdy chair, a tailor-made backpack of books, and even a simple towel turning into the gateway to strength, balance, and motivation. Let's begin with a quick overview of the challenge many of us face. Conventional home workouts can often feel monotonous or inadequate without proper tools. This is the conflict many exercise enthusiasts encounter daily. The lack of accessible workout equipment can leave us frustrated or concerned about injury when improvising. Yet, with a bit of creativity and practical safety tips, you too can harness the power of everyday items to boost your fitness routine. First, we focus on one of the most versatile objects in your home, a sturdy chair. Visualize the chair sitting in your living room. With proper inspection for stability and safety, you can convert it into a multifunctional tool for tricep dips, step-ups, or even modified push-ups. Begin by placing the chair securely on a flat, non-slippery surface, ensuring that there is enough space around it to move safely. With your hands firmly on the edges, engage your core muscles and perform controlled dips. Feel your triceps contract and relax as you work through each repetition, and notice the difference it makes in building upper body strength. In moments like these, safety remains paramount. Always make sure that the chair is free of cracks or instability before you start. Now consider the humble backpack. Imagine gathering a few of your favorite books and filling your backpack until it reaches a comfortable, weighted level. This everyday tool transforms your squat and lunge exercises. Strap on the backpack and perform a series of squats, concentrating on your lower body strength. With each squat, engage your glutes, thighs, and core. The added weight from the books intensifies your workout and simulates a weighted vest, giving you that extra push toward building leg strength. Remember to maintain proper posture, keep your back straight, and avoid any jerky movements that can strain your muscles. The moment you realize that a simple backpack can do the work of expensive gym equipment, you'll start to see your living room as a treasure trove of fitness possibilities. Expanding your DIY approach further, let's talk about the everyday towel. Not just for drying off, a towel can be repurposed into a versatile resistance tool for stretching and strength. Hold the ends of the towel and use it to apply resistance as you perform rows or isometric stretches. This simple twist transforms your standard warm-up into an exercise routine that builds strength and flexibility. The tactile feedback from the fabric as you pull and stretch not only enhances your workout, but also reminds you of the power of resourcefulness. Embrace the idea that the common towel is now your ally in building a customized routine that's both effective and unique. While household items can indeed revolutionize your workout, it is essential to prioritize safety throughout your exercise routine. Before diving into the hacks, take a few moments to ensure your workout space is safe. Clear the area of any obstacles, make sure the room is well lit, and check for proper ventilation to maintain a healthy environment. Additionally, always warm up before you start exercising. A quick stretch, a light jog in place, or even dancing to your favorite tune can help prepare your muscles and joints, reducing the risk of injury. Hydrate regularly by sipping water throughout your session, so your body remains energized and your muscles perform optimally. Cooling down after your workout is just as crucial as warming up. A series of gentle stretches helps reduce muscle tension and speeds up recovery. You might still be wondering, how do these innovative hacks compare to traditional equipment? It's all about perspective and creativity. Conventional equipment can be expensive and sometimes intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. By using familiar household items, you effectively lower the barriers to exercise. This approach not only saves money, but it also makes exercise more accessible. Overcoming the challenge of working out with limited resources requires a shift in mindset. A realization that innovation and creativity are just as valuable as specialized gear. With this perspective, every corner of your home becomes a safe, efficient space for exercise and self-improvement. Now let's walk through a sample routine. Start by standing tall in your living room. Take a deep breath and focus on the journey ahead. Your routine begins with a warm-up, a light jog in place for approximately 1 minute, effortlessly transitioning into gentle stretches that wake up your muscles. With your body prepared, move into a series of tricep dips using the chair. Place your hands on the edge, keep your feet firmly on the ground, and slowly lower yourself. Maintain controlled movements and repeat each dip with consistency. Feel your muscles engage as you push back up, building strength with every repetition. After the chair exercises, reposition yourself for the backpack-enhanced squats. With the backpack snugly in place, adopt a proper squat position, feet shoulder-width apart, chest lifted, and back neutral. Slowly lower your body as if you're sitting on an invisible chair, and then rise again. Each squat not only strengthens your legs and glutes, but also serves as a reminder that fitness can be both innovative and accessible. As you perform these exercises, visualize each movement as a step toward a healthier, happier you. Make sure to control your pace, ensuring each descent and ascent is deliberate, reducing any risk of strain or injury. Transition into using the towel as your next exercise tool. Stand upright, hold a towel in both hands, and use it for resistance training by performing gentle rows. With each pull, focus deeply on your back and shoulder muscles, noticing the contracting and relaxing motion. The towel's resistance turns a simple movement into a more challenging workout, proving that even the most ordinary item has the power to amplify your training. This segment of your workout reinforces the central idea: resourcefulness transforms mindset and muscle alike. For those moments when cardio is as vital as strength training, remember the stairs in your home. Whether it's a flight or just a few steps, stairs are a powerful tool for cardiovascular exercise. Begin slowly by stepping up and down, gradually increasing your pace. Let your breath synchronize with each step. Feel your heart rate rise steadily and embrace the energy flowing through your body. Stair workouts are not only beneficial for lower body strength, but also enhance cardiovascular endurance, serving as the perfect complement to your strength-focused exercises. As you transition from one exercise to the next, it's essential to integrate periodic safety checks. Always inspect the items you're using. Is the chair stable? Is the backpack securely packed? Is your towel free of any rips? Small precautions can make a significant difference in ensuring your workout is both effective and safe. Allow yourself to pause momentarily between exercises to assess your form, adjust your equipment if needed, and catch your breath. This mindful approach not only minimizes risks, but encourages a focused mind-body connection, which is crucial for long-term fitness success. It's natural to encounter moments of self-doubt, where the familiar echoes of previous routines seem insurmountable. In those instances, let the innovative nature of these hacks serve as your inspiration. Each adaptation and creative twist is a testament to your determination to take control of your health. Rather than being limited by the lack of traditional gym equipment, you are empowered by the limitless potential of everyday items. Reflect on this empowerment with every dip, squat, and step. Know that this journey is uniquely yours, built on the foundation of resilience and creativity. Imagine a future where your living room is not just a place for daily activities, but a sanctuary of self-care and physical growth. As you experiment with these exercises, observe how your body and mind evolve. The simple act of repurposing a chair or a towel can ignite a profound shift, not just in your physical strength, but also in your approach to overcoming life's obstacles. Every push-up, every resistance row, and every balanced squat symbolizes a step away from limitations and toward a life defined by ingenuity and perseverance. In moments of fatigue or uncertainty, pause to reflect on the reasons you started this journey. Your commitment to your health and well-being is a reminder that fitness is not reserved for the elite gyms or lavish studios. It is an everyday challenge that you meet with grit, creativity, and determination. The energy you invest in these exercises fuels your progress and inspires those around you. Let the innovative nature of your workout remind you that change begins with small, deliberate actions, a call to aspire, adapt, and overcome. As we near the end of our session, allow yourself a moment of calm reflection. Feel the burn of your muscles, appreciate the sweat that signifies your effort, and smile in gratitude for the resilience you have shown. Having completed this routine, take a moment to cool down. Gently stretch your muscles, let your heart rate settle, and appreciate the satisfaction that comes with a workout well done. Reflect on the journey you embarked upon today, from the initial doubt over household items as fitness tools to the triumphant discovery that simple objects can transform your exercise routine. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and every lasting habit is built on the foundation of small, consistent actions. The transformation you experience today is proof that being inventive, resourceful, and determined is more potent than any expensive exercise machine. Envision the potential in every corner of your home, the untapped resources waiting to be activated by your willpower and creativity. So, as you wrap up your workout, take away the empowering message that fitness is accessible, innovative, and deeply personal. The ordinary has become extraordinary, and every household item is now redefined as a tool for your physical evolution. Let this newfound perspective fuel not only your workouts, but also your approach to every challenge you face. Embrace the idea that creativity breeds strength and that self-improvement can flourish in the most unassuming places. Today, you have learned that limitations are simply invitations to innovate. And as you step back into your daily routine, remember the lessons from this session. Safety is paramount, innovation is key, and motivation lies within you. Let every rep remind you that your potential is boundless, and every moment spent improving yourself is a victory over the constraints of conventional thinking. Your home is not just a place to live, it is a launching pad for your fitness journey, a testament to what can be accomplished with creativity and courage. Continue to explore these innovative home workout hacks, adapt them to fit your unique needs, and celebrate every milestone along the way. The promise of a healthier, more resilient you is just a workout away. Start your fitness journey today by exploring these innovative home workout hacks and make the most of what you already have.